Oh yeah, that's really nice. Looks like a nice size. Nice size of ube. Oh yeah, look at that. Here is the vine. And here is the purple yam. Look at how pretty. Purple yam. Check it out. Thanks Eva for sharing some so I can grow it too. Big one too. Look at that sweet potato. Oh, that's big. Very big. Oh, yeah. That's a good size too. So this is the sweet potato. 4 pounds and 8 ounces, 8.2 ounces. And so in kilograms, it's about 2 kilo and some 40 some grams. So that is a pretty big sweet potato. And this one was grown from cuttings. So I just planted, I cut the vine from another one and I just planted it, excuse me, I just planted it into the ground and this is what it grew from it. Yeah, that's pretty nice size. So let's measure the purple yam or ube. Let's see this one. Okay, so 3 pounds. So 1.5 kilo. That's the arrowroot, some other sweet potato, this one, and the sweet potato that grew after the vine went all over the place. This is what it looks like. That's actually a really nice size sweet potato too. This one is the biggest. So these are the arrowroots. This is the yucca or cassava, taro. Oh, actually, this one is what's the name? I can't remember. Anyways, and African mint potatoes. They're tiny, but so many of them. They're not big, but there are plenty of them. So I think I'm gonna make sweet potato fries from this one, actually. Those sweet potatoes and this one as well. It looks so good. From the yam, I'm thinking making a mashed yam.